Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom ringtones for your iPhone in 2020. Now, you will need a computer for this, preferably an Apple computer. I'm not sure how to do it if you do not have a computer, but if you do have a computer, this will work. So, let's just get started. Okay, so I am currently in my iPhone. This is probably going to be the first step. Now, it completely depends on what you want the ringtone to be. If you want to record your own ringtone of you saying something, then you're going to want to go to voice memos and record it. But if you want to have, say, a custom ringtone, I would recommend playing that on your computer while recording it in voice memos. But you can also screen record the like a YouTube video, and then I'll show you what to do from there on. So let's get on to the voice memo. So I have my voice recording here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So if we want that to be our recording, or we can do a recording of something else, you're going to want to do this. You're going to want to do share. And you want to go to do your MacBook. Alright, it's sent. So let's go to my MacBook. Alright, now we are on the MacBook. So as you can see, it says test M4A. You want to drag it out here. Then you want to do this. Go up to File, Rename. And then you're going to want to change it from M4A, delete the A, to M4R. Use M4R. And there it is. So then, this is the third step. So then, what you're going to want to do on your computer, once it's plugged into your phone, scroll down here, there should be something called tones. You're going to want to click on that, drag the test or the ringtone into there. There it is. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now it should be in here. Now you are free to unplug your phone. Now once you're back on your phone, you can go to Settings, scroll down, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and there it is. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So, that's how you do it. And now you can go into Contacts and make custom ringtones for everybody. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share. See you guys.